If you want to add a widget to the home screen on Google Pixel 10, you just have to press and hold your finger on an empty area in the home screen, and then you want to find widgets. In my case, it is over here. You might see some essentials or example widgets over here at the top. You can swipe between them in order to try to add something, or you can scroll down over here in order to find apps that have widgets. So for example, I can go to the clock app, and over here, as you can see, I have some example widgets. Maybe instead of clock, I'm gonna go, I don't know, like to the Google Drive over here, and I can either tap on the widget in order to find the add button. So if I do so, the widget will be added to the home screen, to the first available space pretty much. And of course, we can move the widget around, or you can also, let me actually go back over there. Let's say I'm gonna choose Gemini this time, or Gmail. Or you can also just press and hold your finger on the widget, and then you can add it to the home screen. There we go. Now, in some cases, we have some additional customization of a widget, but that's pretty much it. You can also change size of a widget, at least sometimes. In some cases, we can make widgets smaller or bigger. And if it's possible, you can press and hold your finger on the widget and then drop it again. And you will see those circles or half circles on the sides of a widget. If they exist, then you can grab by them in order to resize the widget. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.